Okay, this section is 8.51. It's dealing with the sum and difference of angles. This is the formulas that are involved. Number 1 says to find the sum, use the sum or difference to find the tangent of 15. So you need to come up with angles that you know values of. So those are angles like 30, 45, 60, 90 types of angles. With those angles, what combination will give you 15? What about 45 minus 30? It's not the only one that will work, but it will work. So here we're letting U be 45 and V be 30. So tangent of 45 minus the tangent of 30 over 1 plus tangent 45 tangent 30. The tangent of 45 is 1 and the tangent of 30 is 1 over the square root of 3. So you plug those in, clean that up just a little bit, and then you will want to multiply the top and the bottom over here by the square root of 3. So that's the square root of 3 over 3. Square root of 3 times 1, square root of 3 times 1 over the square root of 3 is 1. Same thing on the bottom, square root of 3, but that becomes a plus 1. Next, that's the radical on the bottom, and technically it should be rationalized, I guess. So to get rid of the radical on the bottom, you multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. Remember, that's just one sign change. Take what's here, change the middle sign, you've got the conjugate. The top is a binomial times a binomial, so you will FOIL it. First times first is 3. Outer terms, negative the square root of 3. Inner terms, negative the square root of 3. Last terms, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. You will also FOIL the bottom. That really is the conjugate, and what you wanted to happen was for the radicals to cancel out. So first terms give you 3, but outer and inner. Outer's negative the square root of 3, inner is positive the square root of 3, those cancel, and 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Simplify on top, 4 minus 2 onto the square root of 3 over 2. You divide everything on the top by the 2 that's on the bottom, you'll have the answer. 4 divided by 2 should be 2. And here, 2 onto the square root of 3 over 2 would just be 1 onto the square root of 3. This would be your answer in its lowest terms. So 3 plus 1, 4, minus 2 on the square root of 3. On the bottom, 3 minus 1, 2. This 2 goes into everything on the top. So it's not just one term, it goes into both terms that are on the top.